Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be talking about how to make Bluestacks run faster on your Windows 10 PC. Now let's say you've got Bluestacks installed and you want to run your Android apps and games on your Windows PC, but you have a problem with these apps and games lagging or running slow. Then I'm going to talk about a few settings that would help you to get rid of that lag and slow speed you're getting on your Bluestacks 5. First of all, you need to have Bluestacks installed, and if you haven't installed Bluestacks, then you can simply go to their website, that's Bluestacks.com. I'll be leaving their link in our description for you to check. So let's say you've got this Bluestacks up and running. What you need to do is right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager. Once you have Task Manager running, what you need to do is there you need to click on Details. Under Details, you need to pay attention on the app that says HD-PLAYER.EXE. Right click and you have an area that says set priority. Here you need to select above normal or high. I would recommend you to select above normal, and if you still have issues you can select high to see if they run better. So I'm going to click on above normal and click on change priority. Close the task manager. Now we come back to Bluestacks 5, and here you need to click on this icon that says settings, and here under performance you have few options there in order to customize your Bluestacks 5. First option that says CPU allocation. If you have 8-core PC and you want to allocate some CPU usage for Bluestacks, I would recommend you to use 2 cores and set it to medium. I'm working on an old laptop, hence I'll be using 2 cores and set it to medium. Under memory allocation, I would recommend you to have medium settings, that is 2 GB. The next section is performance mode. You can select high performance here, and in the frame rate you can select 60 frames per second. So click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, it'll ask you to restart your Bluestacks. Once you manage to restart your Bluestacks 5, click on settings again. Now we've already updated this performance settings. We're going to go to display settings there. If you see here, rotation is automatically selected, that's landscape. Now here you have different resolutions available, and you've got this recommended resolution here. I recommend you to select recommended resolution, that is 1920 by 1080. Under pixel density, here I would recommend you to leave this as medium. If you have any other setting selected, select to medium, that is 240 dpi. Mouse cursor style, here Bluestacks default mouse cursor is selected. You can select to system default, which means it would have less impact on Bluestacks. Save changes, it'll ask you to restart once again. Simply click on restart to get to next settings. Now after second restart, we'll go back to settings again and click on graphics. Now this is one of the most important settings here. What you need to do is here under graphic engine mode, performance is automatically selected, so keep this option selected. Graphics renderer, here you have 2 main options, one is DirectX, one is OpenGL. I suggest you to keep on OpenGL. Interface renderer, you leave that to auto, and the most important section here is GPU in use. I'm using an old laptop that has onboard GPU, so I'm going to use their default onboard GPU, that is Intel HD graphics, so I'm going to leave that prefer dedicated GPU option on. If you have a dedicated GPU in your PC, you probably have different options there, and let's say you have Nvidia or AMD graphic card, you can select one of the graphics and change this option from here. Once you make your preferred changes, you need to select save changes here and move on to next option. Next option, quickly I'm going to talk about the devices that you have in your PC or laptop. Speakers, you can use Windows default speaker. If you have additional speakers plugged in, you can select those. Microphone, if you have additional microphones selected, you can select those from this list here. Finally, you can select the camera, hit save changes and start running your Bluestacks faster on your Windows PC with less lag when you use your apps and games. Question of the day is, which software or tool do you use in order to run your Android apps and games on your Windows PC? Give this video a thumbs up if you think this has brought some value, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing and don't forget to watch these videos you may find useful. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.